Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this very easy and very attractive newspaper and quilling Chinese fan. It is very easy to make and I will show you each and every part of the fan. So let's start with the procedure. For this we need some 5 mm and 10 mm quilling strips, quilling tool, ruler, pencil, rounder, purple and white acrylic color, liquid glue, one paintbrush, any wooden stick, newspaper and one mount board or cardboard. First I am taking this mount board piece, just marking from the bottom on 1.5 cm. Make one line on this point like this. Now I am taking my rounder and added 19 cm radius on this and just making one semicircle from this point which we have added earlier. So semicircle is done. Now I am cutting this circle using my scissor. Like this. Now I am just marking from top on 2 cm, 5 cm, 7 and 13.5 cm. Now I am making 4 more semicircles from the same point by measuring these radius. We have all these semicircles ready. Now I am marking from the left and right side on 1 cm like this. Now just make a straight line on this 1 cm point. Now just connect the center part of the semicircle with this upper 1 cm point diagonally. So I will do this process from both the sides. Now I will cut these diagonal lines. Like this. So now we have our base fan shape. Now I am marking on 2 cm from the left side. Make a straight line. Similarly do the same process on right side. Mark on 2 cm and make a straight line. Now I am erasing some parts. So now the area which I am marking with cross we need to cut. So I am taking my paper cutter and cutting these crossed parts. Do this cutting part very carefully. So I have cut the lower part. Now I am cutting the upper slit like this. So this is the base fan shape. In the same way I have created one more panel with the same procedure. Now I am taking one piece of newspaper which measures 27 by 6 cm and I am making one wooden stick and making one roll. Take out the wooden stick so you have the pipe ready. In the same way I have created some more newspaper pipes. Now I am taking one base and connecting these pipes one by one in fan shape. So this is done. Now cut excess pipes from the top. Now I will wrap this fan with other panel. So just add glue on the pipes and on the lower part. And connect the other flap. Let it dry. Now I am taking one more piece of pipe, just press it and make it flat, and I will secure all the boundary of the fan using these flat paper pipes. So I am adding glue and connecting these pipes like this. Cut excess pipe. Now in the same way I will wrap the other two sides. So after adding pipes on all three sides, it will look like this. Now I am taking some mixture of glue and water and doing some paper mache on all over the edge of the fan using piece of tissue papers. If you don't have tissue papers, you can also use normal newspaper. So I am just adding pieces, and on the top of these pieces I am adding some mixture of glue and water. So after adding, it will look like this. Let it dry for some time. So it's completely dry now. Now I am coloring the whole fan with white acrylic color. After coloring the white base, it will look like this. Now I am applying some purple acrylic color on whole fan except the pipe section. So this is done. Isn't it looking very beautiful? I have colored the edge using white and rest of the area with purple. I have colored from both the sides. Now I am taking blue color 5mm strip and I will do some weaving from these pipes. So just insert the strip through these pipes up and down each time. Here I am just doing a normal weaving. So this is done. Now cut excess strip and secure this strip using glue. Now I am inserting one pink color strip on alternate pipe, and again I will do the same weaving part. So do this process till desired size. So here I have added 2 rows of blue, then pink, then 2 rows of purple, then pink, and then again 2 rows of blues. I have left some gaps on bottom and on the top, and also I won't weave on toppest part of the fan. Now I will show you how to make this fringe flower. For this I am taking yellow color 10 mm strip and making some small slits to make fringes like this. So do this process till the end of the strip. My one strip length is 45 cm. So the fringes are ready. Now I am connecting one blue color 3 mm strip with this. You can also connect 5 mm strip. And now I am making one tight coil using my quilling tool. So this is done. Now open all the fringes and tap the center tight coil using the back side of the tool. So fringe flower is ready. In the same way I have created some more fringe flowers. Now I will show you how to make leaf. For this I am taking half strip of sap green color. Here I am using 5 mm strip. First make a leaf shape, then just bend it. So this is a bended leaf. Now I am taking my fan and connecting these flowers and leaves on the top part of the fan. So after adding this top row, it will look like this. In the same way I have added one double fringe flower in the bottom part and 2 blue color fringe flower, some leaves and some scrolls. If you want to learn how to make this double fringe flower and the scrolls, I have given link in description box, you can check there. Now I am taking one 5 mm blue color strip and making one tight coil. Secure the end. Tight coil is ready. In the same way I have created some more tight coils. So I will add these tight coils on this middle part of the fan. Like this. Also I am adding 2 more pink color tight coils on the bottom part. Now I have created these 2 tiny fringe flowers using peach and purple combination. To make small fringe flower I only use half fringe strip. So I am connecting on left and right sides, and also I am adding 4 leaves for each flower. These are the same bended leaf shapes. So the beautiful handmade newspaper quilled fan is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.